To record the unsub keywords and the mobile numbers, click on unsub list. So first, let's enter the unsub mobile number by clicking on unsub mobile number. So similarly, as for the rest of the features here, you can see more entries on a single page by clicking on the box here, whether to show as 10 entries per page, 25 entries per page, 50 or even 100. And you may do the search here for any of the data in this table. And of course, you can do export by exporting via CSV. So to enter an unsub number, you can actually do manual entry by clicking on add new record and say enter the mobile number, save it to create a new entry. Of course, if you have more than one numbers and you want to do it fast, you can do an upload by clicking on upload and upload a file that is in a CSV or TXT form by filling in the mobile numbers in the first column of the Excel file without any title given. So once you choose the file, put it in and click on upload, it will actually populate out the details here. And if these numbers are no longer unsub, you can actually delete by clicking on the checkbox to delete whichever entries that is relevant. Or if it's all of them, you can just simply click on empty, all the unsubscribers to actually empty out this section. So next, for the unsub keyword, click on unsub keyword, and you can actually add a new record by clicking here and put in the keyword. Say for example, I enter like this, save it, and this is a keyword for people to actually message in to auto capture their number as part of the unsub number. So of course, if somebody were to actually enter a keyword, message in a keyword to you, and you would like to actually do an auto reply to it, you can actually click on response to create the auto response message. So you may actually save it to actually create the response. And if happen that you find that you no longer need these unsub keywords, you can actually click on the checkbox to delete it. So next, when it comes to the looking at the logs, you can click on inbox or logs management to see all the incoming messages that is matched to the keywords that is entered. So you can actually click on inbox to see the details. You can choose by calendar period to see, and then you can export out. You can empty out the data here. You can see messages, incoming messages in the form of purely SMS in or actually sending in through API format. Then of course you can see all the outgoing messages here, all the unsent messages here, and all the messages that are still put in queue here. You can also see those incoming messages that is not tied to any of the keywords that you have actually saved it in. Then what will happen is that it will fall under the common inbox where all the users can access. You can see all the incoming messages. They are so-called unmatched, based on the calendar period. You can see more entries per page, and you can do some search functions. And of course, you can actually empty out at the end of the day. You can export out in CSV or Excel, for this part.